Hello coffeeholics and cafe owners. Today is another interesting video. Stick around until the end of this video clip, but before we continue, make sure you click that subscribe button. Today's topic is something that has already been talked about quite a lot. Latte versus cappuccino. What else that you don't know about with this topic? Well, today might be just interesting for those that are wondering how they can differentiate. The main difference between latte and cappuccino, most coffee shops would use the same dose and the same yield. That means double shot of espresso for their latte and cappuccino. And typically the difference will be in the texture of the milk. A latte will have a microfoam, thin milk foam, and cappuccino will have a thicker milk foam, and of course that signature cocoa or cinnamon powder on top. But today, I'm going to show you how the differences are in terms of steaming the milk, and then my suggestion for those coffee shops that offer different cup sizes. Now, most coffee shops would have dine-in, and they would probably be serving in cups like this. This one is an 8-ounce cup, quite a large cup, and this one is a 6-ounce cup. If you want to see what's inside, so I have here an 8-ounce cup, and this is a 12-ounce cup. If you are a cafe like what I have two cup sizes for my hot drinks. One is 8 ounces, which is equivalent to this one, and the other one is 12 ounces, which is equivalent to this one. First, we are going to make latte versus cappuccino using the same dose, 18 grams of coffee beans in, and I'm going to pull a double shot of espresso using a ratio 1:2. So for my 18 grams of coffee beans, I am going to pull 36 grams of espresso, and I'm going to use the same cup size, which is 8 ounces. Two portafilters with the same dose, 18 grams of coffee beans, and I'm going to pull them at the same time. There. Okay. My machine is programmed for double shot on this one and here. So for this one, this is designed for cappuccino, a thicker milk foam. Cappuccino. For a latte, you're going to dip your wand a little bit deeper. So the texture of the milk will be thinner. Although it's not very visible, you could see that the layer of foam on the cappuccino is thicker than the one on the latte. Now, to make it even more different, you can sprinkle some cocoa powder on top, and this is your cappuccino. Okay, cappuccino and latte. When I use my 360 ml steaming pitcher for my 8-ounce hot cups here, I have more milk left over when I poured it in a cappuccino. Okay, so if I taste this latte, wow, that's lovely, hot, and then cappuccino, I get that foam on top, which gives that delicious mouthfeel before you can actually get into the coffee. But this one tastes stronger, slightly, very, very marginally stronger, but certainly both of them taste absolutely delicious. Some shops in Italy use 1 shot of espresso for this size of cup, so they use a split shot and one for each, so you can really tell the difference between the two. But if you're using 2 cup sizes in your shop, I would suggest that if you're serving a latte, serve it in a larger cup and a cappuccino in a smaller cup. Also true if you're making coffee in takeaway cups. So this one is 8 ounces and this is 12 ounces. Make cappuccino in 8 ounces cup and make latte in 12 ounces cup. Except when you have customers who are saying, why am I getting a small cup for cappuccino? They have to be educated. Typically, a cappuccino is stronger than a latte, and the best way to do it is to make them in smaller cup sizes. Well, I hope this video tutorial is useful. This is part 2. Our part 1 was Americano versus long black. This is latte versus cappuccino. On to our third part, which will be latte versus flat white. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.